What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing new stuff on the Cobra. It's just missing like mostly interior pieces, like little plastic things that I bought, and then the trunk also. The trunk has no carpet like I said, and there's no cover for this thing. We're going to go ahead and install those today. We're going to put in the plastic pieces first, so I'm going to go ahead and open up those and just pop all those on real quick. First I got this little plastic piece right here that was missing on the other side. I got it right here. So you're gonna slide the bottom under this thing first, and then push it forward, and you just push the front down, and then it's clipped on just like that. There we go, got that all done. So I was missing the little plastic piece to the lever to fold the seat, so bought that. You just push it right on, just like that. Then I was missing this plastic cover for the bolt on this side, so I went ahead and I had to buy a pair. Got this one right here. You just snap that on. Alright, that was all the plastic pieces. Now I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the carpet that goes in the trunk, and we'll see what it looks like. It has the Cobra emblem on it, and it's all black, so we'll see how much different it looks from the gray carpet on the sides. I think it'll look pretty good. Yeah, that looks good. Has the Cobra emblem right there. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna lift up the sub, and I'm gonna lay this in there now. So I don't have a spare tire, so we'll see how flimsy it is. I don't know if there's supposed to be a cardboard or something that's supposed to be attached to under this. Yeah, it looks good. Obviously I'm gonna need something to keep it up though, because it's sagging down where the spare tire is supposed to be. Maybe I'll put my toolbox under this and we'll see what it looks like. That looks a little better, but it's a little high, you can see. Dynamat, I'm pretty sure that was Dynamat in there. It looks way better than that, so that looks good like that. I don't know if there's supposed to be cardboard or something that attaches to it, or like something that's a little bit more stiff, but that looks good for now, I think. I thought there was something that was supposed to hold the light, but I guess it just goes right in this little thing right here. Okay, I got all of them plugged in all the way. This is for the third brake light. I got all the lights plugged in because they were unplugged, and I thought there's supposed to be something that covered this part right here, but I guess there's not. I am actually missing the trunk release though, so someone must have ripped it out or something. I'm gonna have to get a new one. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I bought a carbon fiber like covering over this, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox that right now. Got the push pins. Yeah, that looks nice. It's wrapped in carbon fiber. I didn't want the gray carpet because it was missing it. I didn't want to buy the gray carpet one, so I just bought this carbon fiber instead. Like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put the carbon fiber thing on. I'm gonna have to drill a few holes, so I'm gonna just drill those holes that are in the plate, and then after we do that, we'll just push the push pins in and it'll hold up. So first we gotta mark the holes. There's one hole right here. Make sure everything's all tight where you want it. Mark the hole just like that. We'll go ahead and drill it next. Alright, so I got the drill bit to where the right size, to where you can't see any of the center part, but you can still see the thing sticking out. So I'm gonna go ahead and drill the first one, and then we'll see if it fits. See, I have it marked right there. I'm gonna go ahead and mark the rest of them and get them all drilled, and then we'll go ahead and put it on. I got all the holes drilled. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put all the pins in. Alright, I got all the pins in. Now it's looking up there nice. Carbon fiber. And we got the Floor mat looks good too now. And then power base sub. It's all looking pretty good. Now I just need to get the trunk release thing, and then I don't know, I might take this Dynamat stuff off so it looks better. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe buy some of that wood or something, the cardboard stuff, to make it flat. And then I can have my toolbox on the top. Besides that, I think the trunk looks pretty good now. I still gotta strap up the sub, so I got the strap going around this metal piece right here by the seats. And then it's gonna go all the way to the back around the sub. I'll probably have it go under on this side actually. I got it strapped on just like that. Gotta close the seat because the sub will fold forward if I don't. So I'll just go ahead and tighten it down. Everything's done in the trunk. It's looking good. I got mostly everything finished for the interior now. I'm just missing a few pieces, like this charging port that goes in front of the shifter right here. And then this compartment is like, there's supposed to be a bezel that's holding it on, so I have to buy a whole new one too. And then also, I don't know if these are supposed to have anything right here, like to cover the bolt or not, but I'm missing it on both sides if there is. But I couldn't find anything, so if I could find something to cover that, that would be cool. The fog light switch I'm gonna replace, and the passenger switch I need to replace. Besides that, everything in the interior is here and working. Just need to get those things and then everything will be good. Oh, this vent is broken, but I don't think I'm gonna replace it. Everything in the interior is working and pretty good. Okay, I actually need to change the oil in the Cobra, so I got Royal Purple. It's pretty expensive, the best stuff I could find. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it on the lift, and then I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna go ahead and take the drain plug out now for the oil. There was no magnet on the bolt, so I couldn't see if there was any metal shavings or anything, but I do want to change the bolt to one that has a magnet with it. And a piece of magnet did fall out, so I don't know if it was from the bolt, but it was pretty big. It was about 1/2 inch big, so maybe, I don't know what happened, but it did fall out of there, but everything else looked good. The oil filter was pretty tight, but finally got it loose now. Got it off now. All right, it just stopped dripping, so now I'm gonna put the bolt on and put the new oil filter in. I filled it up with half oil and I put oil on the seal, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on now. I got the oil filter all on. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lower the car and start filling it with oil. I got the oil change all done, so I went ahead and put a 1.5 quart more. It was supposed to be 6.5 quarts, and they only gave me 5. And I put 530 in instead of 5. I put the rest, the 1.5 quart more of 530 in instead of 520 because it's a little bit thicker. I filled it up all the way, so it's all good. Now that I got the oil all changed, I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the car wash. I want to get some of that oil off the bottom of the engine, and some of it leaked on the suspension parts, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it to the car wash now and get it all clean. Everything looks pretty good. It's pretty clean. I got it all washed now. I think that's gonna be the end of this video. We put all the interior pieces in that I got, changed the oils. The trunk turned out awesome. It looks really good, especially with the carbon fiber part. And there's gonna be a lot of stuff coming for this car, so stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, then please like the video. And if you'd like to see more of this car, then please subscribe to my channel and get that bell on so you get notifications whenever I post a video.